This is the control panel that you'll find when you enter the vehicle. I'll just go through what the buttons actually do. So this one here is your power button. Switch that on. This little symbol here shows you that you're connected up to the hookup. Above that is the battery voltage for the cab, which is your engine battery for starting. And then the leisure battery voltage up at the top here is the amount of water in your freshwater tank, which is S1, and it goes up in increments of 33%, so you won't see anything until the first 33%, then 66 and so on. The second press gives you the grey water, which is the waste from the sink and the shower, etc., and it tells you when that tank's getting close to full. This is the temperature inside the vehicle. This is your light switch, you see the lights come on. This one here is the external light over the door, and that's the water pump. So if you want to use the water from the tap or the shower or the flush for the toilet, you'll have to switch the water pump on. It's as simple as that. This is the control panel for your heating and hot water. To actually access the control, press the rotary switch and it will bring up a selection of symbols. The first flashing symbol is the heating for the vehicle, and to access that, you press the button and then set the temperature that you want in the vehicle, so say 18 degrees, and then press the button again. That flame signal will tell you that the vehicle is heating up, and you just leave it to run. The next symbol is the hot water. Again, to access the hot water control, press the button and you can select Eco, which will heat the water up to about 40 degrees, Hot, which will heat it up to about 60 degrees, or if you want to really get it going quickly, Boost. If you put it on Boost, that will override the heating until the hot water is up to temperature. Then to return back to the normal menu, there's a back button. Next one is the source, and that's the power that you're using to heat the vehicle. To enter that menu is the same. Press the button and you'll get into it, and there are a selection of options. Mix 1 is gas plus your leisure battery. Mix 2 is gas plus the hookup. Elect 1 is just using your leisure battery, and electric 2 is using the hookup from the campsite. When you're on a campsite with electric hooked up, that's quite a good one for just heating. If you want to heat the water, probably gas and your electric together will give you more of a push. Gas only is if you have no electrical hookup and you're got the engine switched off. You just use the gas on its own. You'll get through the gas quite quickly using that one on its own. The last one is the fan for the heating. You can have an Eco, which is a slow fan, High, which is slightly more powerful fan speed to get the heat going through the vehicle. I'm going to show you how to make up the little bed in the dining area. Firstly, you need to go into the boot and get these two little supporting arms there in the boot on either side and bring them in so you're ready to go. Then come to the back of the vehicle. On this side of the vehicle we've got this little cushion, you just pull that out, and in here you have the cushions for that little bed. So the first one to pull out is this one. So there's one, this one. You have to pop it up and then slide it out like that. And then this one as well. Next thing you do is take the table, comes up at about 45-degree angle, and it lifts out. There's then a button on the leg here. Press the button and the leg falls down like that. And then, sorry, let's cut that bit. We need to take the cushion out. Table length, about 45 degrees, clicks in there. Then take these little supports, the legs just click round like that, and there's, you see there's little two holes there. They click on there. Then place your cushions. Same on this side. And the bed's almost set to go. And that set of cushions sounds quite a snug fit, which is what we want for the bed. Now if it's just one or two small kids, you could leave it like that. If you want a little extra room on the side here, these just sit on the right side like that. And voila. If you put a double duvet all over that, a kind of sheet, it'll hold everything in place. That's it. To store the cushions after you've finished with the little dining bed, firstly that one goes in to the little recess in the floor, as you can see. And then this one, there's a little bit of an art form to it. It slides in here, hang it up, and then it all pops in just like that. And then finally this one just pops into that. It is a bit of a push, but there you go.